Okay, here is another example on solving rational inequality. So, pardon, at meron dyang mga bling-bling. Okay, so here. So, let us solve 4 over x greater than or equal to 2. So, wala pa ito. Okay, so first step, rewrite the inequality. So, how do we rewrite? Going 0 ang right side. So, ang ginawa natin, we transpose the 2. Then, simplify mo ito. So, in simplifying, we have x over 2. Then, divide by this 1 times 4, 4. Then, x divided by 2 divided by 1 times 2 is this. Okay, next, just combine like terms. Combine. So, we have negative 2x all over x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, next. Find the critical number. So, in finding the critical number, equate the numerator. So, in this case, dito na po tayo kukuha. So, equate the numerator to 0. So, the answer is 0. Equate the denominator to 0. Transpose the 2. So, the answer is negative 2. Correct. So, anong tawag nga natin dito? Correct. Critical numbers. So, since they are the critical numbers, yun yung gagawin natin para ma-divide natin yung x-axis into parts. So, we have 0 and negative 2. So, this is 0. This is negative 2. Then, shade. Okay, now, look at that. Bakit yung sa negative 2, walang shade? And sa 0, that is, may shade. Isa lang naman ang ginamit na inequality symbol. Okay, so that's it. Take note that negative 2 is obtained in the denominator. If you will replace x with negative 2, that will be 0. And no number can be divided by 0 because that will be undefined. So that's why in this case, yung 0 lang ang may shade. Okay, since may shade ang ating 0, so therefore ito wala. So this is from negative infinity to negative 2. So kung mapapansin ninyo, pareho siyang parenthesis. Then, ano naman yung interval sa gitna? Negative 2 and 0. Now, look at the symbol. Sa negative 2, since walang shade, parenthesis. Sa 0, since may shade, brackets. Gets? Correct. Then, last interval, 0 to positive infinity. Next. After that, make now the table of sign. Okay, so again, anong isusulat dito? Intervals. Correct. Okay, so copy mo na lang yan. Then, pick a test number. In this interval, anong test number ang gusto nyo? Okay, negative 3. How about here? Hindi pwede yung 0 kasi 0 is a solution. Negative 1. Correct. How about 0 to positive infinity? 1. How about here? The numerator and the denominator. So, you have this one. Ngayon, check now the sign. Negative 3 replace to x times negative 2, positive. Correct. Negative 1 times negative 2x, positive. Positive 1 times negative 2, negative. Okay? How about x plus 2? Negative 3 plus 2, negative. Negative 1 plus 2, positive. 1 plus 2, positive. Okay? Now, just divide. Positive divided by negative, negative. Positive divided by positive, positive. Negative divided by positive, negative. So, go back to the problem. This is greater than or equal to 0. So, is this a solution? No, correct. How about this? Yes, because it is greater than 0. How about this? Negative. Correct. Okay po. So, that is the table of sign. So, kung ito ngayon yung may check, ito na ngayon yung solution. So, the solution set is negative 2, 0. Then, just shade the region of the solution set, just like that. Okay, so this is now the solution set. Okay, so thank you for listening.